Hi everyone, my name is Akanksha. I'm really happy to be a part of the series Insta Story by Be Khush Women. I live in Jersey City along with my husband. I have a blogging page on Instagram called The Food Love Book. Along with running my page on Instagram, I also teach Indian cooking in New York City. It's a really fun activity class where I teach, twice a week. Now, right now, because of pandemic, everything is shut, but I'm really looking forward to going back and teaching again. I also work for a food startup company. My love for food started at a very young age. I think if I recall, I was always, very inquisitive and always asking questions to my mom and everybody else in my family. I belong to a family of foodies. We always talk about food. Our conversations, start with food and they end with food. Though by education I didn't study anything related to food, I went ahead and studied finance. And then, as soon as I was done with my studies, I started working in the financial industry. I worked at a couple of financial research firms, investment banks, and right before I was to get married, I realized that those kind of jobs were not giving me 100% happiness and satisfaction. So I decided that this is not something I want to do for the rest of my life. So I quit that, and that's when I decided that I should do something that will give me true happiness, and that's how this blog came into existence. I have had my blog for 3 years now, but it's only been a year that I've started posting content on a regular basis, and it's been an amazing journey till now. I have met a lot of wonderful and very talented fellow food bloggers, and some of them are local from like New York area, and I've had the chance to meet them and talk more about food and let them know more about Indian food. And sometimes they are so surprised that Indian food is much more beyond just butter chicken and dal makhani. I post on my blog not just the food that I'm cooking at home, but also many times a lot of restaurants approach me to give them a shout out or talk about them on my page. It just helps them in reaching to a larger audience. That's one of the benefits of this blogging, that you get to meet a lot of restaurant owners. So in case you are looking to open your own restaurant, you get a good insight about it. One of the reasons I started this Instagram page was to let people know about Indian food and how diverse it is, and all across India, from north to south to east to west, there are so many wonderful dishes that the world, especially like the Western world, is not aware about. It might be a dish from someone's household, which is very peculiar and very famous from that region. So this just gives a platform to reach out to a larger audiences. Instagram as a platform has become very common and famous for posting content, and I feel the main reason for that is the ease of the platform itself. You really don't need many equipments to make content for Instagram. You don't need hi-fi, high-tech cameras or lenses or anything of that sort. You can just begin, shoot taking pictures with a phone and just posting on it. And Instagram itself gives you so many ways to interact with your audiences, that also helps in creating content. The tips and tricks to get more followers on Instagram would be to produce good content. Produce content that is true, that is coming from heart, that is something you connect with. It's not something you are posting just because it's in trend. Embrace your culture and showcase that. Embrace your roots and It should your post your actually your blog should just be a reflection of you, who you are as a person, and not someone else. The other thing that will help you in growing your page on Instagram would be being consistent, keeping the content real, posting it on a regular basis, having conversation with your followers, checking your DMs, replying to the questions that your followers have. Sometimes followers, they themselves will give you a lot of insights about what kind of content they would want to see on your platform.